Good morning. Everybody that is in the Discord here will listen to this. I'm going to put this one on YouTube and Twitter as well. A lot of the folks in the Discord have wanted me to get more members to join. And they said the way to do that is to start publicizing profits, put big numbers up on Twitter and YouTube on a day-by-day basis. Like I just made $225,000 today, and doing that over and over and over again without actually going through any analysis as to prior to how one is able to make that kind of money, which is makeable in the market if you're willing to take enough risk and you have a big enough bankroll to do that. But forgetting that for now because it's not my style. What happened to ES here? Right when I was starting to do my analysis, ES is rolling over, which is what I want. It's this market has just gone straight up, and pullback longs is what I want to take advantage of. Obviously, the first pullback long here on time was this at it's 110. 229, right about the market open here, right here. This would be the first pullback long I would look for on ES. And don't be afraid of this. We are in a major bull move in the market, and there's nothing going on right now which is going to cause it to change, right? So don't be afraid to jump into this. What was announced today at 7:30? December 3rd. Nothing. Yeah, the jolts at 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern, but something made this baby roll over here on the 10-minute, which is fine. One of the things that I want to emphasize in this is that the only way you can make money in this market is to look for pullback longs, and that's not the only way. It is the most high probability way of having a trade work out for you is finding a spot where you believe there's going to be support to a pullback long. Now, you could make the case that the pullback long is somewhere in this area, and it could work out for you. It's not enough risk reward for me. This is what I want. I want to see 60-50 on ES before I even think about pulling back. So that's my first spot of entry, right? And that's yesterday's market open, and it held there all morning long. Really was kind of a lousy day to trade ES or SPX or SPY. It was just so choppy. You can see pushed up hard, came back down, pushed up hard, came back down by 10 o'clock in the morning Central. We were here, then it pushed up and kind of chopped around. I mean, if you're trading 0 day to expirations, which we do, this is just theta burn area. So really hard to trade. But look for reactions and bigger ones, and even this candle. People get afraid when they see these kind of candles in this kind of market. These are the candles you want to take advantage of. So my first pullback long is not Friday because I discount a half day of low volume trading as anything of importance, and I look for longer term areas, which is right in here, 60-50. And don't be afraid to take it here. Don't be afraid. You know where your stop is. It's right underneath there. And then let it drop down to 60-36, which is the next obvious area of support, right? Which is yesterday's Globex low. It seems like every day it goes up. Let's switch that to the SPY. So this is a 2 hour on the SPY. This is our pre-market Monday, December 2nd at 3 a.m. Push, 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 push. Drop it down to the lower time frame, and you can see again it was difficult to trade because of the choppiness. It was almost untradeable yesterday. We opened up here, took off, rolled right back down, chopped around, up, chopped down, chopped up, and then you get into this here, which is like, you don't ever want to get stuck in this kind of mess. It's nutso, right? Interesting thing I watched yesterday was this move after hours. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for this thing to pull back to probably yesterday's open would be the first spot, 602.43, 601.22 would be great. That would be this spot right here going back to last Tuesday. and it broke out and retested it on yesterday morning pre-market. This would be an A plus setup. I take A plus setups most of the time when I day trade because it gives me my highest risk reward. And if I don't get them, I don't trade them. So today, what am I looking for? Well, if it breaks all-time highs again, which wouldn't surprise me at all given the way this market is trading, do I chase it up there? Nope. I don't consider chase trade to be worth it. And I'll tell you why in a minute. That's what I would be looking for, a break and a retest of that number, and then have it go from there. And the reason I don't chase that is, let me break this down to 2 minutes. Yesterday morning, if you let FOMO get the best of you, you're going to start chasing this open. Chances are you're probably going to start chasing this open. What is this, the 2 minute? Yeah, 2 minute. You're going to start chasing this open right up here somewhere as you see this candle develop, and you're going to get taken out when it comes back down here. All right, thinking this is just going to go straight up. When it didn't, it went straight back down, right back down, and set up a range on the day at 602.46. So that's yesterday's lows. So what are we looking at today? Again, on ES, it's pretty simple to me. It's a pullback to 660.50. Give me that. I'm not going to trade anything in here. This is a crap zone to trade. I'm not going to trade in the SPY. Let's go to the 10 minute. I'm probably not going to trade anything in the SPY until I get maybe the first spot 602.50, which is yesterday's lows, regular trading hour lows. But ideally, A plus setup 601.22, and it's coming. So be patient and don't be afraid to pull the trigger when it gets there. I'll leave this video for now the way it is with SPY. Here, retest here. Other than that, you can shove this kind of stuff nowhere. And maybe one of these days I'll post my profits on the day trading, and we'll see. I've been doing. We'll see. So here's ES. One interesting thing was I read about this company and did the fundamental analysis on it right around this time right here, beginning of November, and it took off on me, and I thought, oh my gosh, I lost my opportunity. Well, look at this. Come back down here to what day is this? November 20th. November 20th, 2024. When was this? This was November 6th beginning. Pulled back down. If it gets here again, I'll take it. I like this company. I like the fundamentals on this company. I would buy common and sell shares and sell call options, covered call options against it. That would be my strategy on this play. A couple other close ones we've been watching is IONQ. Just one of the guys, Jeff, in our Discord caught this one, and it just has been going nuts since he caught it. I don't know where he caught it, like at $8 a share or something like that. And it's all part of this quantum computing movement that you're seeing in the market right now. I think it's this all-time highs on this stock. I think it's bubbled up a little bit too much. I have a couple pullback longs because I think this theme may stay in vogue for quite a while. Maybe become the AI theme for 2026 even, or 2025 I mean, which is right around the corner. So keep an eye on this level, 2203, 1804. I think originally I had my 14 was my was waiting for a pullback, which I never pulled the trigger on. Psychology of trading is making sure that you don't get afraid when you believe in a stock and it comes back to a spot that makes it has value to it. So don't be afraid to do that. This market, I don't see any catalyst to take it down.